Hey guys, so this is a quick little tutorial of Flipgrid for those of you who have not used it before. So I am going to hand out, or rather email out, this code here, this little URL. You're going to use this URL to go to our Flipgrid page, and this is specifically, it should say end of year EYO reflection Miss Schnorr's classes, and you're going to log in with Google, and you're going to use your school Google account. Okay, it won't let you in if you don't use your school account. All right, so once you get here, you have two topics. So here you can scroll down. We have the reflections on the year and whose voices are missing. I'm hoping that you do both of these topics. You'd add a video for both. However, this is more up to how you want to reflect on the year. So reflections on the year and whose voices are missing. You got to click on whichever topic you want to record your video on. Okay. And then down here, well, first here, this is the description. And then down here, you have a little plus sign. You're going to click on that, and then it's going to be a screen that comes up. You guys get to see my crazy hair today. It's really hot and humid, so I'm looking a little like Einstein, but that's okay. All right, and then you can record from there. So I'm just going to do a little quick, like, hello. Give you a countdown. Hi guys, this is a little tutorial video here. I'm just showing everyone how to use it. And I hope you guys enjoy this activity. It's a little bit different to reflect on the year. Okay, and then you're going to hit pause. You can redo it if you don't like what you did. Okay, you can do some edits down here if you like to add that stuff, whatever you want to do. The videos can only be a minute and a half long. That's how I set them off, so just kind of time yourself there, looking up here. Otherwise, it'll cut you off, and if it does, just add another video. That's totally fine. You can hit next. Okay. So you're going to review your video. You're going to take your little selfie to put with the video. There you go. And then it can display your name. I'm going to change my name to Miss Schnorr. If you want to put a little title in there of it, you can. You can put a link or whatever. And then you get to submit your video. Awesome. And then that's going to come to me. I'm going to watch through it and I'll approve it for you guys. Okay? And then you can be able to, once you go back to the grid, all the videos that I've approved will be up there for you to view. And you can go and view all of your classmates' videos. Alright guys, I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know.